today's tutorial, we're going to solve this problem here. So therefore, I'm going to rewrite this equation in this form. If we have this, so we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. We have x plus 2 to the power of x equals 6. 2 to the power of x, then we let the 2 come outside, plus 2 to the power of x equals what? Equals 6. So now from here, we let x to be, we let y to be 2 to the power of x, which must be greater than 0. Are you getting it? So from there, so we're going to have, that is, anywhere we see 2 to the power of x in the equation given to us, so we have to put y there. So we're going to have y squared, okay, plus y. So this, I'm going to transpose it to the left hand side. So that would change to -6, then equals 0. So now from there, we're going to factorize this problem here. Now factorizing this problem, so what are we going to have? So this is going to be in this form, okay. So here we're going to have y here, we have y here. So we look for the two possible values of 6, so that when you are factors of 6, when you multiply them together, so you are going to have what? You are going to have -6, but when you sum the two together, you're going to have what? Their sum going to be +1 we have here, okay. So from there, so we're going to have that to be plus what? +3. We're going to have it to be +3 and -2, because +3 times -2 will give us our -6, then +3 times -2 will give us +1. So therefore we have this, we're going to have this to be y plus 3 will be equal 0, or we have y minus 2 to be 0. So now from there we move on. So we're going to have what? We're going to have y is going to be -3 if we transpose this to the other side, okay. So we also have this one here to be y equals, if we transpose -2 to the other side, we're going to have +2. So therefore we're going to have what? We're going to have 2 here. Now if you remember, according to what we said above, so this must be what? This must be greater than 0, okay. So we are going to consider the value of y that is greater than 0, and the one that is greater than 0 is what? Is this, which is y equals 2. Are you getting it now? So we have what? We have this to be greater than, we have this to be greater than 0. So, and we are going to discard this one because it's less than 0. So now from there, so we're not going to have this to be, we need to recall that y is equals 2 to the power of x, and we've already getting our y to be 2, so we're going to have 2 equals 2 to the power of x. So now 2 ordinarily is having the power 1 here, okay. So we are going to have what? We're going to have x to be what? We have x to be equals what? Equals 1. Are you getting it now? And that is what? That is our solution. So we have what? We have our solution to be that. Are you getting it now? So then let's try to see if we can check this solution we have. So we're going to have, by checking, let's check, okay. So we have what? We have 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals what? Equals 6. So now if x is 1 and we have 2 to the power of 1 equals what? Will this one give us 6? So you see that we have 4 to the power of 1. We have this to be what? We have this to be 4 plus 2. So which same thing as what? 6. So that's that. Okay. So therefore the value of x we got is what? Is the right solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not watched, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you. Bye bye.